What's up, YouTube? It's old school music coming at you. Just got off work. First stop is at the swap shop. I need to pick up a few tweezers because I blowed two of mine by mistake. You see right there, made a little small mistake. I blowed them, so I removed them. But while we're driving on our way, check out my little sound. I'm doing another sound check, sound demo, or whatever you want to call it, inside the Honda. See how it sounds. Get a little pretty good Honda on the inside a little bit. 10-inch McLaren, tweeter down there next to it. Got the Alpine receiver, Performance Technique EQ. Got my voltmeter. Got my switches, inside, outside. That's the other side over there, passenger side. So can't really tell by the back because I'm taking my buddy some wood. He also do installs. It's the Music Man with the Blue Nova. So I'm dropping him off some wood as soon as we come from the swap shop. But yeah, so let's get this little sound check on the way. Wait. I'm getting the turn lane. I don't need to cause no accidents. And get ready to get this cracker lacking. Alrighty. Let's see. I don't like to mess with people at the light too much. Some people, they really get mad at the light, when you turn up the system. Okay, now we got a green light. Let's go ahead. Just cause my bike cross cords be hanging. That's the attire of a Northwest player. San Jose. I gotta show. Just like a tab with a limo. There we go again. I gotta pick. Girl got nosy. Big girl. Business. I'm working it. Business open season. I know cause 415 was the area code. Turn it off, turn it on, so get busted. Rap stuff. Busted. Baby wanna get so vibrate. I mix a lot, communicate with beavers. But if you ain't got that dummy, you can't call me. Hook with mix, you gotta call that number. Then sit by the phone and wonder, will he call it? I might. If you're a duck, good night. I got a secular, but you can't have my digit. Motorola Beach and Coke 1-2. Yeah. You gotta tell about me. What's up? Oh, that's a little small something. I'll do another demo probably later on or maybe tomorrow. Right now, like I said, I'm on my way to go get me some new tweeters. I missed that nice little sound. Got to have that. Right along with the clarity. So, that being said, YouTubers, let me know what you think about it. What you think about my setup. And I'll get back at you. Peace out.